So let us start with usage of in. Most commonly, you would use the word in when entering a physical location such as room or a building. Let's understand with the help of some specific examples. First, I am in the shower. I am in the lobby. I am in a car. I am in a house. And I am in a school. If we see, all the locations are in physical form, which is why we are using here in. Let's move to the usage of at. Using the word at helps tell someone where you currently are. The difference between at and in is that the physical location is general. Now, what is general? So the places which comes under public considers as a general place. For example, general store, mall, and some other public places. For better clarity, let's understand with some examples. First, I am at the mall. Second, I am at the grocery. I am at the doctor's office. I am at the park. I am at the airport. And I am at the bus stand. If we focus on the places mall, grocery, doctor's office or clinic, park, airport and bus stand, all the examples talk about the general places. Whenever it comes to use general places, we should use at with I am. Let's move ahead. There are some cases where we can use at and in interchangeably. For instance, I am at the mall. I am in the mall. I am at the park. I am in the park. I am at the grocery. I am in the grocery.
Now let's understand the concept of using on with I am. Using the word on is referring to a non-physical location such as your time being utilized by something else. Let's understand with the help of some examples. Number 1. I am on the phone. Number 2. I am on my computer. Number 3. I am on a bus. So these were some examples.
We learned the uses of in, at and on. Let's summarize it quickly. We use in always for the physical places. Second, we use at for the general places that comes under physical places only. Number 3, we use on for the places which considers as a non-physical location. Based on location and situations, we decide the usage of in, at, on along with I am. Thank you so much for understanding this lesson today. If you really understood all the concepts of in, on and at, don't forget to like this video. That helps and supports my will to come with the another content. Also, you can share with the needy learner who can understand the concept of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, which will allow you to get daily updates. Thank you so much. Keep showing your love to this channel.